Odd Code just tested 7 different strategies, trading strategies, and you can see this one has an expectancy of 1.15. I was looking for over zero point 0.2. Buy and hold, 29,000% return. So you're going to see every single strategy, exactly which one this is, how to build it, and all that good stuff. Plus, I'm also going to show you how to use dangerously effective mode, I like to call it, but it's dangerous mode in Claude Code. So I'm going to show you everything here. If you just lock in for this short video, this one's actually short this time. So tap the like button, lock in, and let's show you every single one of these back tests, because I know for a fact that Wall Street will never show you this information. So I try to
If you're
show you
still here,
everything.
tap the like button and subscribe, because I believe code is the great equalizer, and I know Wall Street will never show any of this. So I'm going to show you everything. All I do ask is you hit the like and subscribe.
Let's get it. Today I'm building a bot based off of the stochastic RSI, money flow indicator, and market cipher videos. This comes from my random alpha generation and strategies here on my Notion sheet. You can have that. Notion is free. It has everything that I know about algorithmic trading, step by step, has Discord community, all that, but that doesn't matter. I want to go ahead and just dive right into this. Stochastic RSI. I'm going to use Claude Code because I like Claude Code the best. And essentially what I'll do is say this, and I'm going to say, I only want it to be used with dangerous mode because I'm, dangerous. So dangerously skip permissions. I don't want it. I don't want any of that. Please go ahead and explain each 3 of these different trading terminologies, and then go ahead and build me a backtest. Actually, build me 3 different backtests using an example that I'll link here. But essentially, I want you to build me 3 different backtests using 1, 2, or 3, or all of these different indicators after explaining them to me thoroughly. Build me a README to explain them thoroughly, and then go ahead and build those 3 different ideas. Of course, the ROI and Sharpe ratio are what we're optimizing for. Actually, not Sharpe. Let's optimize for Sortino because this is crypto data. You can use the data that is shown in the example file here. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, .csv, where you at? Okay, we got 1 day. We got 1 day data. Let's go ahead and find ADXMA maybe. I'm sorry if I sneeze on you. It's my bad. I'll cover my mouth next time. Next time. VWAP ADX.
If you're still here, tap the like button and subscribe, because I believe code is the great equalizer, and I know Wall Street will never show any of this. So I'm going to show you everything. All I do ask is you hit the like and subscribe.
The like and subscribe. Let's just go ahead and say at VWAP. I think it has it. There's also other files in this folder if you want to go ahead and check them out as well. But essentially, I want you to print out the real stats first, and then so I can see them, and then optimize. We don't need any of the debuggings of the printings of the trades or anything like that, because that just jams up and clutters up the terminal. Go ahead and show me that. Thank you. Yes, go ahead and build the 3 plus the README. Thank you. The 3 plus the README. All in the same folder, directory. Thank you. Much love. Thank you. Much love. Ethereum. Somebody just got liquidated $5 million. 5 majillion. I'm still collecting that tick data. All right, let's see what she does. Okay, so first off, move this fucking camera. Can you still see me? Not that I'm needed. I'm not needed. I'm not needed here. I'm doing it for the YouTube so I don't get kicked. I got 1 week until a strike falls off, and you'll never see my face again, I promise. You'll never see my face again. Sorry. Okay, I'll explain the three trading indicators and build three different backtests incorporating them. Let me start by explaining each indie. Trading indicators explain the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI is a momentum oscillator that combines two popular indicators. The RSI, which is the relative strength index, measures momentum by comparing recent gains to recent losses. Stochastic oscillator shows where the current price sits relative to its range over a period. The Stoch RSI applies a stochastic formula to RSI values instead of price, making it more sensitive to momentum changes. It oscillates between 0 and 100, with readings above 80 indicating overbought conditions and 20 indicating oversold. So it's just matching, it's looking at the RSI on a stochastic basis. It's excellent for identifying potential reversal points in crypto's volatile markets. Money flow index. The money flow index is often called the volume weighted RSI because it incorporates both price and volume data. It measures buying and selling pressure by calculating typical price high plus low plus close divided by 3, multiplying by volume to get money flow, comparing positive versus negative money flow over a period. MFI ranges from 0 to 100 with readings above 80 suggesting overbought conditions and below suggesting oversold. Is particularly useful in crypto because volume spikes often precede significant price movements. The market cipher is a comprehensive trading system that combines multiple indicators into visual waves and dots. While the exact formula is proprietary, it typically includes wave trend, a momentum oscillator combining multiple moving averages, money flow similar to MFI but with proprietary calculus, RSI, stochastic combos for momentum confirmation, divergence detection, identifying when price and momentum diverge. For our implementation, I'll create a simplified version using the wave trend oscillator principles combined with the momentum indies. Let me explain. Let me create them. Let me create them. Let me create them. You create them. Bipty boopty. Haha. Maxi said that first, though. Glad you're here, Maxima. Excuse me. I told you I was gonna blow my nose in your ear, and I'm sorry. I really don't mean to. It's just I just gotta do it. Just gotta when you gotta blow your nose, you gotta blow your nose. You know what do you do about that? What else can I do besides blow my nose when I need to blow my nose? I don't know. So we're running all the back tests too? Come on, fam. Let me do something. Please, let me do something, Claude Code. I want to have some input here too. I guess I will just direct you from here on out. Run all back tests and compare Sortinos while I get a cup of coffee. Bipty boopty bopty boo. Trace back. Now let me get all three Sortinos. Stop it. You're good. Just tell me how to run them each or where they're at, and then I'll run them all because you don't know what environment to run them in. I gotta do something, B. I gotta do something. Let me do something. Let me do something, dude. Bypass permissions is on. All right, let's get it. So, got it. Here's where each strategy is located and how to run them. Location. Stochastic RSI strategy. What up, E-Beer? How you doing? Location is here. backtest Stoke RSI strategy, Stoke MFI RSI market cipher strategy. It seems like you could actually go ahead and make more versions of this by combining even more combinations. And then just let me know where to run those new ones as well. Maybe make 3 to 4 more. I've been pretty good, dude. How have you been? Where have you been? Where have you been and how have you been? So let's go ahead and run each of these and see what the buggity bugs are.
Even if you don't know how to code,
Well,
I didn't know how either, but now I have automated
VWAP
trading
plus
systems.
Stoke,
I will
okay.
show you step by step how to build your own bots so you can remove all of your emotions.
Been good.
I'll show you how in the bootcamp below. There is a link in the description, so join that right now.
It's good to hear, dude. I'm glad you went ahead and explored the Amazon stuff. There's a lot of ways to run it up here on the internet. And yeah, it's good to learn. Learn. I'm just glad you weren't chilling for the last month, you know? Whatever you're doing, dude, just keep going. I don't care. I don't care what you end up doing. Just don't be one of those dudes that does nothing. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know you voyaged on over to Amazon for a bit. The amazing Amazon. So we're creating 4 more. And I should just go ahead and start running these, huh? And then that's what I can do. I'll go ahead and open this up here. I might keep it with Sonet 4 because she's the chillest in my book. So let's go ahead and start running these. So let me write them down so I have them. So we got the Stoke RSI. Okay. We got the Stoke MFI RSI. Okay. We got the market cipher strategy, yes. Okay. So let's go try all of these out and then I'll debug them with Sonet 4 over here, right? Yeah. That sounds fine to me. So let's start with this first one we built, and it's the Stoke RSI strat. Here it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and run it. Loading data. Got a million lines of data. 1 minute data. That's a lot. Okay, let's see how it did. It went to 0, it looks like. Exposure time's only 2.3%. Nice. I'm not about to optimize this. I want to test it on some other data as well. I want to test like more longer term. 1 minute data is kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy, bro. There we go. There's about some 1 hour data right there. Data path. Ba 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 ba. What about the 1 hour data? It looks like there was no bugs, so that's clean. Profit factors, expectancy is negative, so it didn't work. Also had exposure time. Okay. Let's go ahead and try some 6 hour data. Do I have that on BTC? Because that would be nice. So this is the process of backtesting. Copy path. Run it. New data. Who this? 6 hour. So it's looking like it's better on bigger time frames. So let's see if we have Coinbase data. This is one day data for 1,000 weeks. Copy path. Data path. Data path. Okay, let's go ahead and check this one out. I'm just getting all these data set up so I can just bang them out real quick. So it's getting better with longer data. So that's what it tells me. Okay, cool. Well, that's test number 1, Stoke RSI strategy. I'm just gonna put all of these inside of here because they can just be developed, you know? So let's say turn into toggle list. Stoke RSI backtest. There we go. Is there. Now I can duplicate it for next time. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Stoke RSI MFI strat. I'm going to take these data pair. Stoke RSI MFI. Stoke RSI MFI. Paste. Start with the first one. Move to the second one. All right, first one's first. I'm not going to optimize these bitches. I'm going to let you do that. If you want to play with it, I'm giving you all the code, dude. It's all on the roadmap. How do you get the roadmap? Go to the website. Put your email in. Don't have to buy anything. Okay, so this one expectancy is negative 0.7. So I need over 0.2.
If you actually want to learn this stuff right now and build your own trading bot, then there's a link in the description. Click that link and join the boot camp. I will show you absolutely everything and get your first trading bot set up.
I'm looking for over 0.2 expectancy without optimizing. Because when you optimize, it's kind of sketch. Profit factor, expectancy negative. So I'm just going to rail through all of these ideas and find the best one. Negative 0.48. I'm not even writing notes down if it's negative. Negative 0.42. Okay, so these were not better. Stoke RSI plus MFI. Let's say duplicate. Plus MFI. Backtest. I love Notion, bro. All right, let's check out the next one. So market cipher strat. Market cipher strategy. Okay. Let's go back actually because I want to grab the data dog stuff. Market cipher strat, okay. All right, the first one's up. First one's up, dude. Let's just rail these bitches. Let's just rail them. Hey, what's up? I have an error here. Please fix it. Thank you. at Market Cipher. Market Cipher strategy. Yes, all the code is here. Everything is here, dude. So I'm gonna duplicate this one and put it there once I fix it. Keep all. Wait, did you fix anything there, Shah? You fix anything there, Shah? I see you using crossover here from the library. I see that you're using crossover from the library, and I don't really like that. We're using... Okay. Let me fix that for you. Siri, I did not say anything to you, sweetie. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't say anything to you again. Okay, here we go. So, negative 0.17. Looks like it's fixed. I'm looking for 0.2, dude. 0.2 expectancy minimum. Then I'll look into the strategy. Do this game however you want to do it. This is how I like to do it. Negative 0.19. Okay, so I'm testing all these data points. Starting from minute data all the way up to daily data. Negative 0.33. Okay. So let's go ahead and run this one then. Let's mark this one out. Okay, this is daily data. Negative 3.33. Okay, nothing there, but maybe something for you. I don't know. You tell me. You tell me, dude. You tell me. Come on. I'm gonna keep giving you everything. Everything I got, dude. Good, bad, and ugly. So this is called the market cipher strategy. Market cipher strategy. Paste it in there. Okay, you got the code. Not supported for more than 10,000 characters. The helly? That was more than 10,000 characters. Damn. Okay. Well, you get all the code still. It's all here. Where do you get this, dude? It's just go to the website. There's a link in the description or on my Twitter or something. Go to this website. Put your name and email in here. I'll send you the roadmap. This roadmap is thick with it, dude. It is so thick. It's got all of my ideas, and you can see I'm adding code to it because it's funner. It's funner when we do it together, bro. Okay, so perfect. I created 4 additional advanced strategies. Here's where to find and run all 7 of them. So I did those ones. The 4 new ones here are the VWAP Stoke volume. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this. VWAP Stoke RSI volume. Okay, paste it in there. Let's mark this one out. Let's start with the minute data first. Fix any errors there may be. And I can actually... No, I'll keep her open. I'll keep her open. I'll keep her open just because she's been good. She fixed that last one for us. All right, shorty, let's go. I know it's a lot of data for you. I know it's a lot of data for you, but you good, girl. You got this. You got this, girl. Come on. Let's see what you got. Come on, dog. Let's go, data dog. Let's get it.
I'm not only going to show you how to build your own trading bot and automate your trading so you can remove emotions. I'm also going to pay for your AI so
Your
you can cancel
AI.
all of your ChatGPT and Claude subscriptions. Click the link
There she
below
goes.
to join the boot
Negative
camp. I
point
will
two.
teach you how to
Pass.
automate your trading and pay for your AI. The link is below.
Negative point two pass. Let's go ahead. Let's keep it pushing. This one should be a bit quicker, right? See ya, bro. Thanks for coming through, dude. Okay, we got our first winner. Winner. I mean, it's only 2 trades, though, so don't love it. Return is low. Expectancy's good. But I'm going to keep pushing. I'll put that code in. I'll put the code in the same place. So if you saw something interesting there, this one only had 1 trade. So it looks like this one needs more trades or more data to get trades. But see how this goes here. Test number 3 here. Actually, I think I just tested that one. The AI is confusing me a little bit. Nance. All right, dude. So this was the best one. This one. Nah, it's actually this one. Copy. What is this called? VWAP Stoke RSI. VWAP. Let's duplicate this here. Plus Stoke RSI. Plus volume. Let's go ahead and put that code in there. Highlighting is disabled again. Fuck it. MFI plus Bollinger Bands. So let's try the MFI Bollinger Bands here. Okay. Oh, snap. I want to go ahead and make sure that I have all the data. Load data here. Load all the data. You know what I should do is I should build something that tests it on all the data. Bang, bang, bang. You know? Bang, bang, bang. What is this one called? This is the MFI. I got a bug in this one here. Same issue. Glad you knew that. Here we go. So it loaded in the million lines of data here. Negative 0.16. Let's move on. I'm looking at the expectancy only. Negative 0.49. Let's move on. Bunch of different time frames here. Negative 0.70. Profit factors, though. It's just not a positive expectancy, so I'm gonna spend my time on positive expectancies. Okay, so this one also whatever. MFI plus RSI. You can have the code though. Duplicate. So this would be MFI plus RSI plus BB divergence. Okay, peace. Let's go ahead and check out the other ones. I think there's two more here. So VWAP, we got the wave trend MACD plus volume weighted. So wave trend MACD volume weighted. Wave trend MACD volume weighted. Gotta pass in the data, dog. Excuse me. Go ahead and try this one. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I got all 7 million of those addresses, by the way, dude. I think it was 7 million. It worked. Now I just gotta think about what am I gonna do with all those addresses. Besides, go knock on all their doors. Be like, hello, my name is Social Watch. I'm from Florida. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Ba 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 da 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 da. Expectancy
I know sometimes my
-13.
videos can be long. That's because I'm just showing you over my shoulder. But if you want me to actually hold your hand through automating your trading and building your own bot, I'll show you how in the link below. Check it out in the description.
Okay, mail 7 million of them. Mail 7 million flyers. Let's see it, dog. Let's see it, bro. It's gonna cost a lot of money. A lot of money. A lot of money. Wave trend MACD volume. Wave trend MACD volume. Duplicate this. I think we have one more here, dude. I just want to show you one more. Come on, let's get this big winner here. Ultimate 80x MFI. Okay, cool. What up, caveman? How you doing, bro? Caveman checking in from Nairobi. Nairobi. We can't even tell you where that is on the map, dog. That's awesome. I love that. I love the internet. Ultimate oscillator plus 80x plus MiFi. What did I say? Ultimate oscillator. Ultimate oscillator plus 80x plus MiFi. Wi-Fi. Negative 0.1. Moving on. That's on minute data though, so if it was profitable on minute data, that'd be sick. MACD gone mad. I'll send it on X. What'd you build? 0.22. You didn't build this, bro. You don't even know what I'm building, bro. You don't even know what I'm building. Negative 0.5, 0.25. Data path. Oh, we got a winner. The final one. Ha, that's hella funny, dude. The absolute final one. Expectancy 1.15 is sick. Profit factor 1.75. And this was the finale, dude. That's sick, bro. I love when that happens. This is 192,000% return. Okay, sick, dude. Sick, dude. Sick, sick, sick. Yes, I'm gonna put it in the Notion. How do you get the Notion, dude? You gotta go to the website and put your email in. You don't have to buy anything, but you should. 757 trades. So this one looks good. This one looks real good. 46% exposure time. Return is a bajillion. A macro MACD. Nice, dude. Drawdown was a long time, 559 days. Win rate is 60%. Expectancy 1.157. Shit, dude. That shit's fire. That shit's fire, bro. Alright, let's optimize a little less. What was that? What was that? Helly. Okay, dude. Holy helly. I put it in the Notion already, right? You can see this one does pretty well, but the optimizations are just way too many. So we need to cut those way down so we can actually optimize them. It's actually optimized for yeah, Sortino's good. Okay, so that is already in the Notion, right? Did I already put it there? Let's see. I'm gonna put it there again. This is free on YouTube. Wow, beautiful. What a place. Okay, so we tried 7, found 1. We tried 7 ideas, found 1 idea that works. Okay, sick, dude. What's the return? It's not really too believable, but haha. Please recap your day goal today and being a distraction. You're good, dude. I'm just doing some back testing. Perfect. I've streamlined the optimization, Moon. Before 11 parameters with massive ranges, potentially thousands of combinations. Now 7 parameters. All right, sick. So it should optimize a little better now. Or a little faster. Maybe not better, but 7% done. Nice, dude.
Have you struggled with emotional trading? If you want to remove all of your emotions from trading, you must automate it. I will teach you step by step in the next 15 days There's a link in the description below, and I will help you remove all of your emotions from trading.
All right, I'm curious to see this, dude. My algos on backtest data, they got a good win rate, but real data, they tend to overfit. How do you implement this fix? I implemented retraining up 24 hours. That's just part of the game, bro. That's part of the game. That's why I test with tiny size. So the process I follow is this, the RBI system. Research, backtest, and then implement with, it should be incubate. I should change that to incubate instead of implement. I might change that shit right now. I might change that right now, dude. I might just change that right now to incubate. Because in incubation, I'm just using like $10 size, small size. See if it actually matches up to the back test. I should change that shit to incubate, huh? No, no. RBI. RBII? Nah, I like the baseball reference, dude. I like the baseball, even though most people don't even understand baseball. What is baseball? That's like football. Implement and incubate. RBII. Keep it simple, silly. Keep it simple, silly. Three. Let's have 3 letters. RBI. Research, backtest, incubate. Maybe I'll change that. Maybe I'll change that. But maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. You get in. It's great. Nice. Glad you like it. I'm glad you like it. We're not looking for the home runs, bro. We're not looking for the home run. Just looking for the. That's my butt. Runs batted in, dude. Runs batted in. I never even played baseball, as you can tell. I mean, back in the at the park and stuff, I used to hit the baseball here and there. The park with the boys. The park with the boys back in the day. You know, I grew up next to Ken Griffey, so Ken Griffey, that was my goat in the day. Back in the day, I tried to build a meme of bases when I first found you. Really? All right. So how's this one do? 682 trades. Okay, the return percentage is unbelievable high. So, you know, it's overfit probably, but we'll see, I guess. I can incubate it. This return or the return equity. The return is crazy. Sortino ratio is 5.78. I mean, shit, dude, it is what it is. I can't tell you any different than what it is. I just coded it, kinda. I just gave it the idea. So I put all the code up in here, dude, so you can have access to it. But you see the results here. Yeah, you see all the results. 30,000, 19,000, actually 192,000, which is crazy. So, you know, it's your own risk. Definitely got to incubate it, see if it's overfit. This one I didn't even optimize, which is the interesting thing. So there's got to be some fire up in here. There's got to be some fire up in here. It's just at the end of the day, it is what it is. I don't make the fucking rules, bro.